It's summer, you're ready to dive into the pool, but it's a mess. Leaves, dirt, and that gross green tint. It's not gonna happen, and manual cleaning isn't going to happen either. Today I'm gonna show you guys the easiest way to clean your pool, and if the water gets clean enough, maybe I will jump in. So this is the Fanttik Aero X robotic pool cleaner, and what makes this a first of its kind is that it's built by a team with DJI drone tech roots, so it packs in 12 high precision sensors like sonar, gyroscopes, and more for a super smart cleaning path. It's so good, it actually won the 2025 American Good Design Award before it even hit the market. Yeah, it's that good. Let's talk about the cleaning system in here. So we have a twin flex cleaning system that really gives it two powerhouses. On top we have the adapt dry brush, and this spins fast to tackle stubborn stains. It can even get that algae ring at the top of the pool line. And then down here we have the Swift Cruise track, and this can stick to any surface, even curvy fiberglass or your classic concrete. But let's go ahead and get it in the pool so I can show you what I'm talking about. So here we go. All right, so I'm gonna use the remote right here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. This remote is like a supplementary feature, so you can target specific areas that need extra attention on it, and you can even pause it in the pool, and look at this. The brush keeps spinning while it's paused. It uses a unique inclined movement to clean the water line. So check this out as it comes up. It can reach a maximum inclination angle of 45 degrees, which allows it to cover a larger water line area. The Aero X is surprisingly fast. Its maximum speed can reach 30 meters per minute with a cleaning area of up to 1,076 square feet per hour with a massive 15.7-inch brush. I can turn it up to max and watch it go. I actually timed it against the standard pool cleaner and it left it in the dust. It was so fast and it cleaned so much better.
Floor, water line, all around.
There's several different modes that you can switch between. In water line mode, it will move horizontally along the water line for cleaning. In full cleaning mode, it will clean the walls and water line first and then clean the floor. And then of course there's manual mode where you can use either the app or you can use the remote controller. So I'm gonna leave it going in the background, but what I love about it is that you can really just let it do its own thing. I can be picking up toys, cleaning up the house, running errands, and I can just forget about it and have a clean pool. In terms of battery, it has a little under 300 watt-hour battery that will run for around 6 hours, get your pool clean for you. Size-wise, you guys could see it's pretty small, about the size of like a weekender duffel bag, and it's lightweight. I could pick it up myself. It's right around 20 pounds, so it's really portable and easy to move around. The app is incredible. It actually feels like I have a pool butler cleaning the pool for me while I just sit back and relax. With the Fanttik app, I can set cleaning modes, check the filter basket, adjust the moving speed, control its movement just like operating a remote controlled drone, or even steer it without getting wet. The remote control function on the app is great. I can set the roller brush speed to high, and then I can make it go towards me, make it dance. Actually, my son was playing with this the other day and he was having so much fun. He said that it was more fun than just like flying a regular drone. But look at it go, look at it dance. It has 6 hours of cleaning capacity on one charge, and then when it's low on juice, it brings itself up poolside. It backs itself up, and then it gives me its handle, so it's super easy just to take it out of the pool, charge it. There we go, my little well-trained puppy right here. Pro tip, if you want to have a clean pool in the morning, go ahead and set it overnight. You wake up and the pool's ready for cannonballs. And if you need to clean the filter, it's super easy. It pops out with one hand. You can open it up, see what we've cleaned out today, and then you just wash it out and it's ready to go again. I love that the app is also extremely intuitive and easy to use. You just pair it and it's pretty much ready to go. You can adjust your speed, you can adjust your working time, how you want it to clean, if you want it to do the floors and the sides, and really control it completely from the app. So there you have it. The Fanttik Aero X is one of the easiest ways to get your pool clean without the hassle. And a big shout out to Fanttik. They make some cool things for your car, your home, outdoor adventures, and This pool cleaner ain't bad. Fanttik is also offering a buy one, get one free promotion that's pretty good. So when you buy one robot, you can choose between either a W10 Apex cordless chainsaw that costs around $150 new, or you can get a C8 Nano electric scissors that cost around $70. I'll leave the Amazon link below, but you can apply the current Amazon coupon of $200 off and then use my code KIMAEROX to get an additional $100 discount on top of that. That's a total of $300 off, plus you get a discounted price of $8.99 and the free gift. It's a pretty good deal. The promotion ends soon, so don't miss out, and let me know in the comments down below if you have a pool horror story or if you're already loving your Aero X. Catch you guys next time.